Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to transform into a zombie mom. For this costume you're going to need a white shirt. This one is clean, it's just old, so I thought it would be perfect for the look. A baby doll, I got this one for about $2 at Walmart. A hot glue gun, scissors, something to write with to mark the baby spots, and any kind of red paint will work. The first thing we're going to do is cut the baby's arms and legs. Yes, it was just as weird to do it as it was to say it. You can also cut the head off and add it to the costume if you like. Totally optional. Then we are just going to clean up all the fuzzy stuffing that's in the baby doll so we can end up with clean arms and legs. Then I just went back and cleaned it up a little so that I didn't have too much of the clothes fabric on, but I still left some so it looks like the baby was wearing some clothes. Also, this has been cat approved, as you can see. Now we're gonna take the legs and see where they look best. After you find the spot you want them to be, you're gonna go ahead and mark them with a pen or marker. It doesn't have to be perfectly round, it's just a mark so you know where to glue them later. Then just repeat the same steps with the arms. So now we are back at the table and ready to glue this baby. Take a body part of your choice and put glue all around the baby's edge and place it on the shirt. I held it for about 5 to 10 seconds and that was good enough. Then repeat for the rest. Alright, it's looking good. I just went back to make sure the arms and legs were secured and added a little bit of extra glue. Not a lot though, just a little dot. Next, you're going to take any red paint you have and just paint around the body parts. To start off, I just did circles around the arms and legs and started getting messier from there. I started adding streaks running down as if the blood had been falling. There is no wrong way to do this, it's just about making it look messy. So this part was definitely extra, but I just painted my little baby's toes for no reason, other than it looks cute. To complete the look, I went ahead and did the makeup portion. I am in no way a makeup guru, which is why I sped up this part of the video just to show what I did. I followed a video tutorial on a simple zombie makeup I found and still managed to mess it up, but at the end, you will see that even if you're horrible at makeup, this costume can still be easy to accomplish. The good thing about zombie makeup is that you can't go wrong because the goal is to look dead in the end. I did also add some lipstick to this look with some blood dripping down to make it look more zombie-ish. And then I added some spots to my face and neck and blended it in. And here is the final zombie look. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and let me know what you would like to see next.